Would you be different as far as the Tamil issue is concerned?
We have always viewed a clear view on that issue and we continue to do so.
And the last time when your father, Mr. Mopanar, had launched the Tamil Manila Congress, you were able to win a landslide both in the Assembly and in the Lok Sabha. Do you think you can replicate that model in the 2016 Assembly poll?
See, we have to reach the people, talk to the people, tell the people what is our vision, why we have taken this decision. I am sure our cadres and leaders will get the confidence of the people and reach to the right level at the right time.
And how many leaders are with you? We know 3 MLAs are with you.
No, I am really not concerned about the numbers. I am concerned about the cadre base and the people support. Leaders who are there with me will always be there with me.
Your supporters say Congress has failed Tamil Nadu. Would you agree that?
No, I would say that we are following a new method. They follow their method, we are following our method.
What way will your party be different from the Congress?
As I told you, I would like to always take quick decisions, number one. Number two, give positions according to merit.
Last question. What is one thing you found unacceptable with the Congress? You said there was no regard for...
No. I told you very clearly, I am thankful to my leadership for accommodating us for 14 long years.
You said there was no merit.
I said merit should take place. There should be a measurement for merit. We thought that we can do it better.
Did you feel you were sidelined, ignored?
No, I felt that the party's prospects, as we expected, was not raising to the occasion.
Thank you so much, sir. All the best. In Chennai with camera person Edwin, Sam Daniel, Find It TV.
Sam Daniel there speaking to G.K. Vasan, who just a short while ago officially quit the Congress party, saying he's just not happy with the way the party was being run in the state of Tamil Nadu, and he now wants to launch his own outfit. We'll continue to get you the latest on that and other big stories of the day, but at this point we'll slip into a short break. Stay with us.
Brought to you by Active Javed Akhtar on Tata Sky. Isko laga dala to life jinga lala.
The only way to reach them.
Bringing you the day's top stories straight up.
News first at 10. Weeknights only on NDTV 24/7.
News first at 10. Brought to you by American Tourister. Trusted all over the world. Quicker, the perfect matchmaker for every buyer and seller. And Kalyan Jewelers. Trust, it's everything.
This is not a pen. It's a pair of scissors. It's also a glue stick. This is not a screen. It's a camera. That's also a notebook. Because this is not a screen. This is the all-new Samsung Galaxy Note 4.
मुबारक हो सेठ जी, आखिर चौधराइन आई गई कर्जा मांगने।
आओ चौधराइन।
राम राम सेठ जी।
सुना है बिटिया की शादी तय हो गई है।
हाँ सेठ जी, बहुत अच्छा घराना है।
कुछ रुपए पैसों की मदद हो तो।
नहीं सेठ जी, मैंने इसके लिए ग्रामीण डाक जीवन बीमा पहले से ही करा रखा है। फिर भी जरूरत हुई तो दूसरी पॉलिसी पे लोन ले लूंगी। मैं तो बस ये न्योता देने आई हूँ।
ग्रामीण डाक जीवन बीमा, ताकि आपकी शान हमेशा बनी रहे।
Welcome back. Former Chief Justice of the Punjab and Haryana High Court, Justice Mukul Mudgal, has finally submitted his report on spot fixing and betting in the IPL to the Supreme Court. The Justice Mudgal panel, with the help of IPS officer B.B. Mishra and former India captain Sourav Ganguly, investigated 13 names, including N. Srinivasan.
As a sports lover, do you see Justice Mudgal now there will be constructive action taken and cricket will be cleaned finally after this report?
Well, look, now I have submitted my report. We have submitted our report. The matter in the Honorable Supreme Court. I'm absolutely sure the Honorable Supreme Court will do full justice to all parties.
Thank you very much, sir.
In January, NDTV had brought you exclusive details of car crash tests carried out on 5 popular made-in-India models. In a follow-up to those tests, Car Safety Authority Global NCAP has now crashed 2 more Indian models, one of them the very popular Maruti Suzuki.
The best-selling Maruti Suzuki Swift being crashed at a test center in Germany. Part of Global NCAP's Safer Cars for India program. The Swift you see has been made in India. The results of the crash show a 0-star rating, primarily due to the lack of airbags or ABS in the base version. Here you can see that red indicates fatal injuries sustained by the driver and passenger in the car. We asked Maruti to react to these tests but got no comment or statement from it. The test is carried out at 64 km per hour, which is slower than what many people drive on Indian roads every day. The second car to be crashed is the Datsun Go. The entry-level hatch shows far lesser body shell integrity than the Swift did, and so possibly even having airbags would have made little difference. Of course, the car gets 0 stars too, with very fatal injuries sustained by both driver and passenger. Nissan, which owns the Datsun brand, has told NDTV that automotive regulation standards in fast-growing countries are constantly evolving, and as a global manufacturer, it is willing to adopt as well as help evolve standards in vehicular safety. Nissan and everyone else may well have to adopt soon, as the NDA government is keen to push through a new draft bill on road safety that, amongst other things, also mandates airbags and ABS becoming standard and the need for an NCAP certification.
Will India get its own NCAP as well for crash test ratings?
Currently, you might be surprised to learn that very few of the automobiles being manufactured in India and sold to the Indian consumer are conforming to what could be the European safety standards. It's a pity, but it's also a fact that most Indian consumers are not aware of this. We hope to have our first crash testing facility ready in the next couple of months. This is going to be based out of Chennai, and it is only once this facility is ready that we